Guys, so it's time to clean this up so we can blanch this. Okay, so no piece. Okay, so I'm going to remove the end and some hard also, guys. Blanch for 2 minutes only and then freezing. Let's do it. Ding, ding, ding. Okay guys, it's time to wash this one. Give it a try. Okay, let's wait for that. Then I'm boiling now. Boil. Let's add our piece. Wait. Okay, let's wait for that too. So I'm gonna boil this guys only for 2 minutes. Okay. Okay guys, so that's our piece. Let's make that. Okay guys, so I got ice now in here and water. So after those, we need to put this in here. Okay, we shock the snow piece. Okay, so the snow piece is almost done. So we need to turn it off. Yay! Ready na. Snow piece freezing. So I'm using this one. Let's see if this fits. So that's a good idea. Okay. Right. Let's go here. Oh. Okay. Okay guys, so we need to leave this in here until it's cooled down. And then okay. Okay, so it's done now. So I'm going to remove this ice. Okay, so let's put this in here to strain it. Tara. Okay, so let's remove the parchment paper, then freezing. Okay. Freezing time. Spread. Okay, just like that. If you can do one by one, that's perfect. Okay. So let's put in the fridge. Guys, so it's done. Ta-da! Ta-da! You see that? Yeah. So let's put this inside in the freezer and let it until 2 hours. Yeah. And put in the Ziploc. That's it for today, and thank you for watching. Bye.